Boom, you already know what it is. This your motherfucking boys. Young Vaughn, Hollywood, YB Try Me, baby. You already know what the fuck it is. We're gonna go ahead and blow it down. Shout out to my son 30 Productions. You already know what it is. Making motherfucking
movies. Everywhere, y'all niggas ain't never there, you heard?
That's how we giving it up. Yeah, shout out to Boston. Boston, stay the fuck up. New York, stay the fuck up. MIA, stay the fuck up.
Yeah, we're gonna make a movie. Y'all gonna see it's gonna be pound.
Epic, man. So we going in.
Ready.
It's going dirty.
Backstage on that.
Yeah, I should make them, man.
Just waiting right now.
You trying to stay next to him. Right now.
Alright, mics are off. DJ's on it. It's cool. The mics are off. When you make eye contact with the DJ, it's cool. Put a little spray in that shit, go. Little merch. Come on, y'all.
Yeah, give me the bag.
Motherfucking building, yeah. Try me, baby. This be the realest shit I ever wrote. Let go. I know these bitches love it, I know these niggas want it. That's why I'm fucking on it. When I be spending all this moolah, motherfucking moolah. Niggas is out his soul, the world fucking cold. And bet them hoes hit the pole when I'm throwing all this moolah, motherfucking moolah. Motherfucker hollow, I'd rather pop a bottle and hit the Trump Tower Suites with a fucking motto. I don't follow money, nope. Money follow me. You niggas mad cause your money playing hide and seek. So shawty hit the pole and make it drop for daddy. Free from a Mason, but call a nigga pappy. All these sucker niggas talk, but when I roll up it's like. So tell me what you want, shorty, we can shop and pick it. I bet this nigga could deliver like an obstetrician. You tell me love is priceless, but then say love will cost you. Contradicting your statements, I think it's pretty awful. I got the gift of gab, baby, yeah, that vet flow. I got a mind under pressure like a head cold. I just wanna black out, nigga, minus the goofy. I just wanna feel like Big when he made Juicy. I know these bitches love it, I know these niggas want it. That's why I'm fucking on it. When I be spending all this moolah, motherfucking moolah. Niggas is out his soul, the world fucking cold. And bet them hoes hit the pole when I'm throwing all this moolah, motherfucking moolah.
I'm living life with no worries in the fast lane. Different girl every night just to do my thing. Just a year ago, everything was regular. Now I'm BMFing in the club cause my bread is up. Every week there's another new experience. Never duplicate twice, that's irrelevant. Only if it's king of diamonds, then that's relevant. Tossing $8, wildin' for the hell of it. I'm going in just like my last day as a free man. Cause I know if I don't, tomorrow isn't promised. Play like I wanna play, do what I wanna do. Stunning so hard cause money just come and go. I know some niggas that'll chill for this lifestyle, so I'm looking forward to the memories of right now.
I know these bitches love it, I know these niggas want it. That's why I'm fucking on it. When I be spending all this moolah, motherfucking moolah. Niggas is out his soul, the world fucking cold. And bet them hoes hit the pole. Make some motherfucking noise. So who knows For the pictures, shots of Patron Nouveau for the bitches. I probably had them all, but Monty Low is the missus. Wait till I get on, I got a list full of bitches I'ma shit on. I don't play, go and get your kid on. Bettin' I'm a flop nigga, go and get your bid on. Price on your head if you want beef. Going once, going twice, so to the nigga in the front seat. I'm feeling like J. Cole, nigga, lights please. But I'm steady putting jewelry over white tees. Big Bentley, white stone, just to say it's light cheese. Then switch to the black diamond for the night breeze. Raise your cups in the air if you like these. For the sunrise and the night leaves. For my jet take off and my flight leaves. Keep these niggas in check, Nikes.
Living a life, living a life. Who think I get this far? Now I'm living